this problem is for black to play. This is really not a great situation for black. Black only has 2 liberties left, and these 4 white stones have 4 liberties left. But there are only 3 viable choices for black. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 of them are pretty easy to eliminate. If black plays here, then white can just play this, and black can't do anything here. And it will just be captured like this. So black's number 1 will fail. If black plays here, then white can play this, and white is already alive here on the corner, and black can't really escape. It will be something like this, and black will still be dead after 1 and 2. And that leaves us with this move. So now, if white plays this, now we are back to problem 4-7. Just 3 questions before this one. 3 problems before this one on this playlist. Right? Black stands down here. If white connects on the outside, black cuts. This is almost exactly the same as problem 4-7. So white will not succeed this way. So what about white playing this? Now white must connect this one back. If white plays here, then black will just prevent white from making a real eye, and this will be a real eye versus no eye situation, right? Both of these eyes are fake, and white will be dead this way. So number 4 must connect here. Now this seems like a 3 liberties versus 4 liberties situation, but once black stands down here, black can win this race to capture, because now white cannot come in from either side. So white can only play this, and now black can capture. So that is why number 1 is the correct move, because no matter which side white tries the Atari, black can come out on top. And that is a move that you should remember going forward. Thank you for watching.